So this is the little pocket hole jig that I have been using to build a fence. I've used it for a couple of pieces of furniture, but I just want to show it to you and show you how it works. It does come with both bits that you need. So basically this kit comes with everything that you need. It comes with a few basic screws. If you've got a bigger project, you might want to upgrade. It does come with a clamp. I just had this one handy, but the clamp that comes with the kit does work just fine. But I just wanted to show you everything fits just well. So just nice and clean there, and then I'll show you the kind of finished pocket holes. There they are, nice and clean, really good pocket holes. And here is one practical application. I've been using them for this fence so that when it's all said and done, it's nice and sound. Looks a little bit cleaner all the way down. So if you're looking for just a simple pocket hole jig, you don't need to buy something like a Craig. This one is just perfect.